Before anything else, start by applying facial mist or moisturizing gel to hydrate your skin and let it dry. And because I want my skin to look flawless, I'll also want to apply my favorite facial serum. This will be the base before moving on to foundation. Alright, now apply your favorite foundation. In here, I'm using my foundation stick and using just my fingers, I'm blending it nicely, and this will help our look to be more natural looking. Time to set the foundation. Using any powder with some sheen or touch of glitter, just put just the right amount of that onto your face and just blend it. For my brows, I'm going to just fill in my brows using a color that matches my brow hair. If you have a full brows, lucky you, you might not need that much work. With a light brown color, I'm using just my fingertip to naturally blend it all over my lids. Now adding a gold color after, focus on the middle of the lid. Using my liquid liner, I'm going to line my eyes starting along the top inner corner of my eyes, slowly connecting the line and create a cat eye look. This will give a bit of intensity to the eyes. Now go back to the gold color and start outlining your lower lash line to open up your eyes. Now, for a more natural looking, curl your lashes and apply your favorite mascara. Well, you don't need to put fake lashes on. This mascara is okay. To add some color to your face, apply a bronzer followed by a pink blush. Now get any shade of punch pink lippy color with a gloss to make our lips look sweet. This will give us a glowy makeup look. And we're finished. You should look fresh and glowy. Of course, wearing your favorite pink top. Thank you so much for watching, girls. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more of this, please give us a big thumbs up and comment down below what do you want to see next on my videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay confident. Bye, guys. Mwah.